Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Long time no see guys. Yes, I know it's been a while I posted any video, but I have been active on my live streams and on my shorts. Today I'm here to give you guys an unboxing video. This is one of the reasons why I have not been uploading, because my phone was bad. But here is the good news. I am unboxing the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Yay! This is a new phone that is going to be launching on the 20th of this month, and I am one of the few persons to own it first. This phone did not come alone. Yes, let me tell you. On Tuesday, I was strolling through TikTok and I just saw an advert. Cop the new Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, don't off it yet. And you acquire these gifts. Yes, it's real. It came with an umbrella, a 3 charger cable, a speaker. Let me show you what this speaker looks like. Like, it's amazing. It came with this speaker. It came with this charging cord. Let me show you guys. My inverter is beeping. It came with this charging cord. It's a 3-way charger. And then it came with this big pack. This is a coffee cup and a fan. Let me try to open it. I need help. So this is what was in the box. So those are the things that came in with the phone. A 3 charger cable, a mini fan, a coffee cup, an umbrella, and a speaker. Like seriously, now let's unbox this Hot 50 Pro Plus. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I remember the last time unboxing my phone. Did I unbox my phone? Okay, I was already using my phone. I just informed you guys that I got a phone. Today we are going to be unboxing. Let's unbox this phone. It went flying. So this phone came with a recharge card. Drum rolls, please. This is the phone. This is the phone. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Like guys, it comes in purple. This is what this phone looks like. Guys, it's so amazing. He's amazing. It has a screen guard. It comes with a screen guard on its own. Do you get? And a phone pouch. This is a glass phone pouch. Then normally a charging cable, an earpiece, and a charger. Guys, like, I can't wait to use my new phone. This iPhone has shown me shaggy. iPhone users, una they try. I give you people kudos because I have seen shaggy since I bought this phone. I saw shaggy. But yes, that is all I have for you today. Unboxing my new Hot 50 Pro Plus. So guys, go in, cop the new phones. Yes, cop the new phones and be a new Hot 50 Pro Plus user. Welcome me to the gang, guys. Welcome me to the new phone gang. I'm going to use this phone very well to shoot content, to go on live streams. You guys, una go see content, una go tire. Una go see content, una go tire. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Let me just be truthful. I came here to brag to you guys that I have a new phone. My phone has been offing in the midst of my live streams, but now we're back and better. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's video. Yes, please do also subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed, like this video, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Until the next one, guys, I still remain your girl Carol. Bye.
You're there for my soul wherever you are.